Morning, Periscope. Alright. So, all the EONs are going to the post office today. We were up late, putting them in boxes and flashing them for you guys. So, I'll show you the room and the mayhem from the flashing. Big charging stations, make sure all EONs have a bit of a charge. And these are the 13, or I guess only 11. This is how many we had left over. These are the ones that will be coming on the self-driving car awareness tour with us. Yeah, a lot of chargers. So let's do an EON unboxing. Let's see what it's going to look like. Now I hope these ones are well packed up. So these are 128 gig EONs. It should say, yeah, this is 128 on the back. So you'll see that you'll get a box that looks like this, comma.ai. I'm going to turn you guys sideways. See a box that looks like this. Oh, look at this. It's the EON card. EON, your new co-pilot. Getting started with EON. Mount, connect, drive. So you'll find this right at the top. All right, so set this aside. Nice piece of high quality foam. We bought a lot of these foams and a lot of them are not high quality. You guys know I'm big on quality. I try my best. So you take this foam away and this is what you guys will find. New co-pilot, huh? That's a good word. This is the charger and cable bag. And the charger and cable bag includes 2 chargers. This is the EON wall charger, and this is the EON car charger. Now, of course, you don't actually need a car charger. You can also just plug it into a Panda. The Panda is actually a better charger than this one, but this one works fine. And then we have a short cable and a long cable. So that's that bag. There's this bag. This bag includes, I'm gonna empty this one out. Oh, different type of charger for around the world. You got US chargers, bros. It's USB. Any USB charger kind of works. Too much plastic. There's not too much plastic. So these are EON mounts. Notice that we've pre-applied the the backing sticky for you. So you're just going to stick that on your windshield or wherever you want to mount your EON. It includes a SIM removal kit. And your EON, of course, has an LTE radio as well as a Wi-Fi radio. Shifter Plus does not require LTE. openpilot does. And this is the Allen wrench. And we included a second mount. And if you look on the side of the mount, you can see it right here, maybe. It's really hard to see on the camera, but it says 28 on it. And that's because it's a 28-degree mount, meaning this will mount your EON at a 28-degree angle. If you have a higher car, like a RAV4, you're gonna probably want something like this. The default mount that comes on the EON itself, which we're gonna open up right here, it comes in this nice bubble wrap bag. Doing everything with one hand while holding you guys on the Periscope is not that easy. I need a hover phone, like a drone. And then this, in here, is the EON. So that is a completed 128 gigabyte EON. See the 8 screws on it. So this is that 22-degree mount that I was talking about. And if we look down here, we have the USB connector, the heatsink, the camera, Pretty nice, decent build quality. There's no screen protector, nope. So let's power it up and see what we get. So some of the EONs will come charged, some of them will come less charged. Let's hope this one's a bit charged. So you'll see that it comes up with comma. No, we love NISTA. We are friends with all regulatory agencies. And this is not a self-driving car kit. This is, of course, a dash cam development kit. You can install whatever you'd like on it. But what it comes with is dash cam software called Schiffer Plus, which is open source on our GitHub. So you'll see that it is loading. Dude, I don't like marketing, man. I don't do marketing. So welcome to EON. Before we get on the road, let's cover some details and connect to the internet. So I'm not actually going to set this EON up because I'm going to box it back up. But that is what the EON unboxing experience will look like. Any questions? Comes, of course, with this bag as well, which is going to be your charger. And welcome to EON. So yeah, I mean, you know, I'm not gonna ruin it for you by clicking set up your EON. I mean, you guys would experience the adventure when you get your own EON. You want to buy it? It's available for sale at shop.comma.ai. It's not a pre-sale. Actually, if you ordered an EON before yesterday, it is actually going to the post office today. It's already in a box. You can kind of see a few of them over there. That's just part of the big mess of EONs. Is there an EOS 4? Yes, and that's what's installed on the EONs right now. So you'll see right here, it says it has no SIM, no car. Looks like it's got about a 20% charge. We don't sell self-driving. I talked in my Web Summit presentation about how self-driving is a journey and not a destination. We're not, I mean, you know, the tech just isn't at the point where we want enthusiasts using it, not consumers. But yeah, so that's kind of where we are. That is an EON unboxing. EON, your new co-pilot, and that's what Schiffer Plus looks like when it's running. We have a support email. Some people are like, where do I get support? We have a support email, support@comma.ai. Mount, connect, drive. Getting started with EON. Cool. Well, that's an EON unboxing. Thanks for joining.